put this information out there to whom it may concern or to whoever it may help. Any aspiring traders or anybody that's actually looking into the Forex market itself. First off, this is the community that I am active in and also submitting very good market analysis. Now, the one thing about us is that I want to say that we are not like most trading communities out there. The reason I say this is because trading is our main priority, of course. Aside from that, we focus on basically a higher level of education. So the trading style that we use is strictly fundamentals, like supply and demand, and also a more of a institutional way of trading, like the banks and stuff like that. So we pull information such as the CFTC data that we use with our charting. Now I want to show you I just want to showcase this little account for you here. Let me go ahead and show you that it is a live account. For those of you that are traders, whenever you see the real badge, that means this is an live account that have real money in there. Let me show you how a demo account looks like. So for people that aren't similar or familiar with this platform, whenever you have a demo account, it'll have the demo badge. So let's go back to the live account and let's look at our history for today. And all of these trades you're seeing right now is in the history, which means these are trades that are already closed. Now, the way we trade in our community is we trade very low risk, which means we use low lots, such as 1 cent to the penny, and then whenever we close, we would close with something similar to this. Sometimes we go a bit bigger on the accounts, 4 cents, 11 cents. With 11 cents, we are closing about $84 a pop from this trade was USD Swiss franc with $90. But anyways, scrolling down to this history for the day, showing all the trades that are closed. Luckily, there haven't been any loss yet. And combined with all these trades for today, we have a grand total of 466. And all these trades was executed, and some of them weren't executed. Some of them were something that's called pending orders. But really, all these trades was executed and successfully closed because we have been using a strategy that we've put together over the years of trading and studying market sentiment and really focusing on how the bank trades. It really never excited me to day trade because there is not really much consistency in day trading. Whenever you go more long term and lower your risk, you are able to catch big movements, especially if you know some of the more advanced information that the banks use, the hedge funds use, and etc. Now, one thing I do want to show you is the profit for the day. Again, now it is not much, but what is mind-blowing is our actual balance here. Now, I'm pretty sure you could do standard math. We have 494 as a balance for right now. We have a current trade running, 2 trades actually pending order that was sent out in our community here. There it goes right there. So it's a buy stop. Anyways, back to our balance here. So we have a balance of 494, and keep in mind this balance. Now let's go back to the history. So for today alone, we have 466, which means that before we close all of our trades, now keep in mind 494. Minus 466. So before we had all of these trades closed, we only had about $27 in the account. So it is very hard to believe, but whenever you are trading correctly and using market sentiment and information that is really not out there for average traders to look at, such as retail traders, this is possible. Is something that doesn't really happen rarely often, but in our community it is possible. So I encourage everyone to really take a look at our website. You know, send me a message if you want to know more information. If you're a new trader, send me some information, or send me a email or message to learn more about this. Now I'm scrolling through pictures here just to kind of highlight where the account was. This picture was taken 7:47 a.m. Let me check out the date for you guys. This was yesterday. This is a video. So this was running trades. This was a USD and CAD trade. If you could see here, it was at 11 cents. Mind you, this is a video running, so I could fast forward. Same account. It was at $44. So let's go back to the actual app platform. Now the account is standing at $4.94 from $27. All of the trades are closed today. And again, we are on a live account. So there you have it, folks. Strategy, and information.